Alright guys, as you see I have my saltfish being boiled to have the salt removed. So stay tuned guys. This one is an epic video today. Alright guys, you know what time is it? We're gonna add our coconut to the frying pan. Alright, so you know what time is it guys? We want to let this boil down. And then we're gonna add our seasoning. So stay tuned guys. Here I'm adding my natural seasoning to my coconut milk guys. And that's how I do my rundown. Alright guys, then I'm gonna go ahead with some stir. Mix it up. Ooh. See that guys? Like and share guys. Epic. Creamy. So guys, I'm gonna let that cook down for like 5 minutes and then I'll go ahead and add my crumbled saltfish. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, as you can see, that milk is moving so spectacular, smelling marvelous. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my crumbled saltfish. See guys, I add my crumbled saltfish, then I go ahead and you know this is the authentic rundown, not with the pig. So stay tuned guys while I have this cooked down, and you know how we do the rundown. And remember to like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's check in on the saltfish rundown. It's not macaroni, okay? And do remember to like, share and subscribe guys. So as you see, it's looking marvelous right now guys. So heading back to the juice, we're gonna have it strained and have the food plated. So catch you when we having it plated guys.